Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with my Fab Fit Fun box. This was the June box, so I'm a little late getting it up. But I love here they say in support of Special Olympics. You guys know I taught, if you've been with me, you know I taught special ed, and I absolutely love anybody who supports Special Olympics. So, alright, I'm going to take this gorgeous box down. I'm going to open it up and share what came in it. So, I just wanted to show you the boxes. I really love showing you the inside of the box, and I'm just dumping everything. Hold on, guys. 1 second. Oi. I've got a postal box here, and I've got it below my feet, and yeah. But I still dumped it. Just 1 second, guys. But, so I decided I would put it to the side because the table's really full. We're going to spend, I think, Monday moving this room out. My daughter and I made a decision. I need to get the taxes finished by Tuesday, so that's what we're going to do. So in every box, you always get a fun little magazine. It's light. It sometimes talks about the products. Sometimes there's an article. This one has an article about Gabby Douglas, who I love her. I think she's amazing. So, gymnast, yeah. And she was with the Olympics. Yeah, amazing. So just so you can see, fashion, makeup, a girly magazine. Love it. So, alright, in this particular bag, you also get, or in these boxes, you also get all kinds of like coupons and information for other companies, which is always, you save money. And the first thing in my box is something called Hand Cream La Creme Main Coconut Verbena. Ooh, I love lemon verbena. Ooh, I can smell it. It smells very coconutty, but it does have that hint of lemon verbena. It is sealed. It is a shea butter, macadamia seed oil, argan oil. I am very allergic to latex, and evidently shea butter is supposed to be a very close cousin to it. So I don't do a lot with shea butter, so this will go in my box to give as a gift. So for one of my kids, Christmas, something like that. I mean, I always just, or girlfriends, or anything like that. So I'm going to tear this, and let's just get started. So this is Block Eye Mask Hyaluronic Acid Mask. So it is a late night, too many cheeky wines. Let's not forget those carb-on-carb delights. Can have your peepers looking, well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of the night behind and pop on our activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. Okay, so, alright, there's 5 masks. It's hyaluronic acid. I mean, that's always, I use hyaluronic acid. So, I think I'm going to keep this one. I always debate when I go through these. So, if I'm going to keep it, I will open it up for you. And this, I think, is my last box. There was a boo-boo, and so they sent me another box. And I think, I'd love to keep doing it. It's amazing. But I think I'm probably going to have to take a break. So, anyways, and this was a lovely gift, and I have appreciated it very, very much, and I've loved reviewing all the goodies and sharing them with you guys. So, let's see how we open it up. So, ooh, they come sealed. Oh, look. I have never done these. Have you guys done these where you put them underneath your eye? Ah. Ooh, that looks like fun. Okay, I'm going to try it. And what I may do, since there's 5 of them, I could give one to each one of my daughters and daughter-in-law, even my sister-in-law, and we could have fun with these. So, yeah, look at that. Wah, wah. That would be 4. Oh, my sister, 5. Then I would get one. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. But, Block. Maybe black. I don't know. Okay. Next thing is Sicilian Blood Oranges Foot Cream. Ooh, that's nice. You know what? I'm going to not, I think I can't open this. Oh, I can a little bit. It had a sticker on it. Oh, that smells great. I am sending this to my sister. She is on the front lines in Houston in the hospital, so I am just going to fix that, and I'm going to send this to her just to encourage her right now. She is in the hospital. She's on the front line of the hospital. Oh, look at this. So this is a mask. Ooh, so you get the mask and the eye treatment. Oh, I haven't been able to go anywhere, as you guys know, because of my immune system, and we've been waiting to see what the doctors would say, and at first they were like, you don't go anywhere. So I had our daughter-in-law's mom send a picture via Instagram that she was getting a pedicure, and of course I love pedicures, manicures, all that good stuff. And then now Texas is shutting down. So I haven't done any of this since we've been home. So maybe it's time for me to spruce up a little. I'm a little rough around the edges for sure. So this I'm going to use. It's a Moisture Reset Phytonutrient Facial Oil. I love facial oils. They are so amazing. I literally have not seen anybody's unboxing, and I did not even click the boxes for this. So this is really amazing. Flower extracts, avocado and pumpkin oils, rice bran extract. Ooh. So let's see what it looks like and what it smells like. What do you say? I love the box. It's pink, which you guys know I like. Ooh, and it's pink. Ooh, I love that. Now that's a goodly amount because, you know, it just takes a couple of drops. So let me just see. I'll do one, and my hands are really dry. So I was out planting. It really doesn't even have a smell. Ooh, that is nice. And if you guys can't tell, I'm getting my farmer's tan going. So, ooh, I love that. That is going to be fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that box away because that's a keeper. All right. Now, oh my goodness, what is all this? Okay, well, somebody did a great job of wrapping this. Thank you so much. Yeah, hold on. Here we go. So, we have been in the habit of getting mail or Amazon and letting it sit for a bare minimum of a day. If it's plastic, we let it sit longer. And so this is why this has been in here for a while. So this is an aloe and tea tree toner. It is anti-aging, and it's by Mier. I'm probably saying that wrong. So reveal your most beautiful complexion with the genius formula of our aloe and tea tree toner. Wow, I need that. Well, let's see here. So I'm just going. Wow, they are very fastidious with their care. Oh, it's a gorgeous bottle. Oh, just for the bottle alone, right? My grandmother was so good about her skincare that when she passed away in her 80s, people did not believe she was that age. And I never knew anybody who did all of this that much. Outside of Mary Kay, I never knew anybody who did all this. So, and I do love my Mary Kay, but I haven't even been doing that during all this. Oh, but my grandmother taught me so much about skincare, and I mean, people talked about it. Oh, this is a wireless charging pad. That is going to be a gift. Yes, it is. So, Yumi Kim wireless charging pad with USB charging cord. The device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. Okay. Man, you know that's going to be a gift. All right. Let me see. What is left? Oh, goodness. There's two more things. Goodness gracious. Ooh, what is that? That is a Winky Lux. What is it? Winky Lux Unibrow. Oh, uni and then brow. So, let me see. I'm trying to see the color. It says it's triangle-shaped artist tip. Well, if you guys have known, many years ago I had a surgery and lost a lot of my eyebrows. So, getting eyebrows looking good for me has always been a real challenge. And this may be too dark for me. Let's see. It doesn't say the color. Same shade works for every brow. Oh, it may be just like a wax type. That'd be pretty neat. Hey. Okay, I'll give it a try. Who knows? And then last but not least, oi, here we go. Alright, so this is the Isaac Mizrahi, I just knocked that over, ceramic decorated vase or vase, depending on who you are, where you're from. And let's just take a peek, because this will probably be a gift. Oh yeah, that'll be a gift for my oldest. I think that's gorgeous. All right. Well, I know she doesn't watch this, so I can say it. It's a gift for her. And it's beautiful, and it will match her house beautifully. So, though they are in the process of buying a homestead. Pretty funny, huh? Oh, it's going to crack me up. But they're going to be country people, which I love that. That's going to be great, just like we are. So I appreciate that. They're just going to do it on a much bigger scale. So, all right, friends. Again, this is the Fab Fit Fun box that was released for the summer. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is absolutely perfect. Everything I would need and or give as a gift. And I'm super excited because there's at least 3 of the items that I would give as a gift. And that I will give as a gift. And then, 4 items. I'm going to send that to my sister. And then I will get to keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So that's a pretty good deal. Yeah, that's not bad. So anyways, all right, friends. If you get a chance, go on over to FabFitFun and sign up for the subscription box. They are always top of the line quality. Hands down, some of the most beautiful things that I've been able to give as gifts or use myself. Amazing. I have loved every single time I've received their box. I have given. So, like I said, this is almost half the box I'm going to give away. So, there is always, always, always something good to pass on. And to keep yourself. So, anyways. All right, friends. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks for stopping by. How are you today? Has it been a good day? I hope it has. And that's my prayer for you today. I pray your day's, again, blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. If you go on over there to FabFitFun, tell them I sent you, and enjoy it. Enjoy your journey. And I'm not so good at taking care of myself, so this is what I'm going to do. We're potentially facing another shutdown in Texas, so I decided if that be the case, yes, I'll continue my gardening. Yes, I'll be working. Yes, I'll do my crafting, but it's time to kind of fix myself up as I sit here in a t-shirt and leggings. So my hair up in a clip. Oh, no makeup, just sunshine. So, all right, friends, that's it. But it is time for all of us to, be gentle and take care of yourself a little bit. Okay, friends, I love you guys. God loves you. Thanks for stopping by. Talk to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.